My name is Michael D'Onofrio. I graduated in 2009 from a Bachelor of Engineering in Civil and Construction and a Master of Project Management at QUT. I'm currently working as a graduate engineer with global engineering and construction firm McConnell Dow in the Civil and Marine Division. I focus on estimating and planning major infrastructure projects in Queensland, the Northern Territory and Papua New Guinea. My family came out from Italy to Australia in the 1960s, and when they got here we became a family of builders. However, at high school I was pretty good at maths and science, so it was suggested that I do a degree in engineering and a focus on civil and construction because I had the background in building. The reason why I chose engineering was I really wanted to have a degree that would allow me to be a professional engineer, but would also provide a platform so that I could move on into other fields as my career progressed. QUT's got a great reputation for engineering, and it's also the only university in Queensland that does my major, which is civil and construction engineering. It's got a pretty unique way that it teaches its courses in terms of it's got really strong industry connections, and most of the people teaching you are actually engineers who have come back from industry and who are now teaching you the way that it's actually done. It's also got a pretty unbeatable location, being right in the middle of the city, so in your lunchtime you can go into the city and catch a meal and watch a movie before you have your lectures in the afternoon, which is pretty cool. One of the unique parts of my degree was going on a student exchange to Italy in the first semester of my third year of study. Going on a student exchange really broadened my horizons and allowed me to learn engineering from a different perspective. One of the key advantages too was I got to meet young people from all around the world, from Africa, the Philippines, Israel, France, and it really gave me a way of connecting with people when I hopefully go and work and travel internationally in the future. I guess in terms of my personal experience, by the time I finished my degree, I'd already been working 2 years part-time as a graduate engineer, so I already had 2 years of professional work experience before I entered the workforce full-time. QUT gave me the technical skills that I needed to do my job, but it also gave me the sort of softer skills such as communication, teamwork and people management skills that I found were even more important when I went into the workforce. Right now I'm in the head office, so I'm working on planning and estimating major infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, pipelines, water treatment plants and marine structures for projects in both Australia and in Papua New Guinea. A typical day for me might start with a meeting with the bid team in the morning, followed by developing a construction methodology. After lunch, I might start contacting suppliers to source prices for major materials, and then by the end of the day, I'll normally start designing temporary work. Really awesome things about my job is I get to work on such a range of activities, from working on project strategy of how we're going to bid the project, to working with suppliers and developing their solutions, and then to designing things to solve the problems that we face as a company. I guess in the next 5 to 10 years I would like to go back to university to study an MBA in either the UK, the United States or in China, and make the transition from being an engineer to being a project manager and a manager in an organisation. Before this, I would like to have the chance to work on an international project to both further my communication skills and also to get a chance to explore a bit more of the world. As you're watching this, there's a good chance that I could be up in the southern highlands of Papua New Guinea visiting one of our current projects, and this is just one of the directions that an engineering degree can take you. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you choose QUT for your engineering degree in the near future.